you guys, I wanted to show you a really important trick that I just figured out while I was creating some content for my clients about when you want to share your Stelo data, and open a Clarity account, connect them and share your data with a clinic. We didn't know how to find your username and password on the Dexcom Stelo. You could see the username, but you couldn't see the password. It was hidden on your app. So maybe someone can figure that out, but I figured out how to do that on the desktop and it's really easy. So to find your Stelo username and password so you can use the exact same one to open a Clarity account and connect them, you need to go to your desktop, not your phone app, log on to stelo.com on your computer, and then click the little profile icon in the top right corner. I'll show you what that looks like. When you go to stelo.com, you'll come to this screen, and up in the top right corner, you see a little profile, little person icon. Click on that. And then you'll get this screen with your username. It'll come up with your username and your password, which is hidden. But of course, you can click on this eyeball with the line through it. When you click on it, it will reveal your password. And now you know. So I know that was a big hang up for a lot of us, but now you know how to do it and you can walk yourself through it and your clients.